What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Yeah, as you guys can see from the title of the video, I am going to be getting rid of my Performance Pack 2 splitter. Yo, look at all these new houses they're building over here. Like 2 years ago this was all empty, and now it's like all new development. It's crazy. It's crazy how quick they're building too, because look at all these houses. They just go all the way back. It's 7:22 and I'm already waking everybody up. Welcome back to another video, guys. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded, only because I haven't really had, I'm not even gonna say anything. Yeah, it's been a while since I haven't uploaded. I'm gonna pull into this parking lot. I just got these. I didn't make a video about them, but I got this. I didn't even buy it. I won it on a raffle on Instagram, so that was pretty cool. Oh, if some of you guys have seen my other video where I got my Performance Pack 2 replica lip, if you have, then you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't, you can go back to my old videos and check it out. It's actually been holding up pretty good. I haven't had any trouble with it besides these little nicks that I got from hitting the sidewalk. Still looks good though. Still looks good. But I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Title of the video, so you guys already know. I got this Roush Lip. I don't know if you guys can read it there. You should be able to. It goes all the way back. This is the only way I could fit it. But yeah, I'm gonna be installing this Roush Lip. I got this off a friend actually, so I didn't pay no $600. Only downside is it didn't come with the other pieces. Go right here on the bumper, and pretty much this area right there. Which I don't really care too much about, only because I could just get the ZL1 add-ons, which I like, personally I like better. It's not even that I don't even like this lip anymore. I actually still love it. I think it's one of the better lips for the 18s. But like I said, I got that lip for really cheap, and I'm just gonna try it out in the car. And yeah, so this is with the Performance Pack 2 lip, and I'll show you guys what it looks like with the Roush one after. I'm just gonna pull over right here and I'm gonna show you guys the lip. Looks like all this is closed, so I think I can park however I want. It looks good, guys. It looks really good in my opinion. Obviously it's not gonna sit as low as the Performance Pack 2, but here it is. This is the Roush Lip. I don't have the bottom grill, so if you were to get the bottom grill, this would be black and this would be open. I just got the lip itself. I don't even have the side winglets here, but what I do have is a locked door. Did get these winglets right here from a friend. This one is just, it's not broken. The screws just came off because it came, just goes like this. I just need to screw it back on. So it's kind of broken, kind of not. This one's still intact. So I got these from a friend. I didn't put them on yet because I'm gonna wait on that. And you guys will see why later. So these just kind of go right here. They kind of bolt on right there. It's probably not a good angle, but I'm sure you guys have seen it before. Kind of like that right there. yeah, those are gonna both go on. I think it's gonna help the lip out a bit. So for those of you guys that want to get the Roush Lip, I mean, here's a side angle. It's big, guys. The video doesn't really do it as much justice, but in person it looks a lot bigger than the performance pack. It'll look even better when I got the winglets on there. Oops. So yeah, I got some big plans coming for the car, guys, really soon. I want to tell you guys, but I kind of want to keep it a secret, just build the excitement a little bit. I kind of want to give you guys a hint. Should I give you guys a hint? Or should I just leave it as a surprise? I think I'm going to leave it as a surprise right now. Well, I'm going to leave the video at that, guys. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you want the Roush Lip, this is what it would look like on your car. Yeah, if you guys will give me a thumbs up, I really appreciate it, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.